Good morning, everyone. I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed level 2, 6 problems in compound angles. Now I am going to discuss that 7th question. Student, here observe that 0 less than alpha, comma beta less than pi by 4. That means alpha and beta are both lies in first quadrant. 0 less than alpha less than comma beta less than pi by 4. That means here alpha plus beta comma alpha minus beta both are in first quadrant. Okay, now cos alpha plus beta value how much given? 4 by 5. This is alpha plus beta. 4, 5, this is 3. And alpha minus beta also given. That is sine alpha minus beta given. Sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. Now adjacent side is 12. Now tan 2 alpha we need to find. 2 alpha there is no angle. Only alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta given. So 2 alpha convert in the form of like that. Alpha, add beta, subtract beta. Students observe here, add beta, subtract beta. Now that is in the form of tan A plus B. Yes or no? So apply the formula. Tan A plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. Students, what is tan alpha plus beta value? 3 by 4. Tan alpha minus beta value 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. Numerator take the LCM. Generally 12 is the LCM, but I am taking 4 into 12. 12 3s are 36, 4 5s are 20. In denominator, what is the LCM? 4 into 12. 12 4s are 48. 48 into 1, 48 minus 5 3s are 50. Here observe that 4 into 12, 4 into 12 is going to cancel. What is the remaining answer? 56 by 48 minus 15, 33. This is tan 2 alpha value. Students, which option is correct? Second option is correct. If x cos theta is equal to y cos theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus z cos theta plus 4 pi by 3, these three values equal, then the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to what? Now here in place of theta, I am going to take some angle. Let for suppose x is equal to 0 degrees. Sorry, not x. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. If theta 0 means substitute in this condition, what happened? X cos 0, 1. That is equal to y cos 0 plus 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, that is equal to z cos 4 pi by 3. These three values are equal to some constant k. This is assumption. Okay. Now first and last equate that x is equal to k. First and last. Now second and last, y cos 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means I am writing pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to k. Now third and last, z cos 4 pi by 3 means how to write? Pi plus pi by 3. That is equal to k. Now here x value k already we got. Next, here observe that 180 minus theta, second quadrant, cos negative. At 180 there is no change. We get cos pi by 3. That is equal to k. Here z cos 180 plus theta, third quadrant, cos is negative. So we get cos pi by 3. That is equal to k. Now minus y into cos 60, 1 by 2, that's equal to k. Here minus z cos 60, 1 by 2, that is equal to k. But observe the question they are asking the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Students observe here. What is 1 by x value? 1 by k, just write reciprocal. Here minus y is equal to, or only y is equal to minus 2k. Y is equal to minus 2k. Then what is 1 by y? 1 by y, that is minus 1 by 2k. Same like that. What is z? Minus 2k. Then what is 1 by z? That is minus 1 by 2k. But finally they are asking, find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. What is 1 by x? That is 1 by k. What is 1 by y? Minus 1 by 2k. 1 by z? Minus 1 by 2k. Now this is 1 by k minus 1 by 2k minus 1 by 2k minus 2 by 2k. 2 to cancel. 1 by k minus 1 by k, 0. So therefore, final answer 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, that is equal to 0. Sometimes they will ask another way also. Take the LCM. What happened? Take the LCM. Numerator will come yz plus zx plus xy divided by xyz, that is equal to 0. Denominator send right hand side. Numerator I am writing in particular order, xy plus yz plus zx, that is equal to 0. Okay. Here they are asked 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, that is 1 bit. Sometimes they will ask same question, another answer, that is xy plus yz plus zx. So both are having same answer, that is 0, but same procedure. At the last step, we are going to do calculation. Students, all of you understood now? Cot A, cot B, that is equal to 2. Cot means cos by sine now. Cos A, cos B divided by sin A, sin B. Cot A means cos A by sin A. Cot B means cos B by sin B. Now what is cos A, cos B value? Take cross multiplication. Denominator send to right hand side. You will get 2 sin A sin B. Okay. Another condition given. What is that? Cos of A plus B, that is equal to 3 by 5. Students, what is cos of A plus B formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, that is equal to 3 by 5. But they are asking sin A sin B value. So we want to eliminate cos A cos B. What is cos A cos B value? This is now. Substitute here. In place of cos A cos B, I am substituting 2 sin A sin B minus sin A sin B, that is equal to 3 by 5. 2 sin A sin B minus sin A sin B. That is sin A sin B or not? Sin A sin B. So answer is 3 by 5. Students, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. How to do the 10th question? Here, already given sin x cos y is equal to 1 by 4. Here, there is no simplification, no calculation here. Okay, we can write same like that. Now, second condition, see here, 3 tan x, that is equal to 4 tan y. Tan x means how to write? 3 sin x by cos x or not? Sin x by cos x is equal to 4 into tan y means sin y divided by cos y. Take cross multiplication, you will get 3 sin x cos y, that is equal to 4 sin y, 4 cos x sin y. Yes or no? 4 cos x sin y. Now already we know that sin x plus cos y value. Substitute here. 3 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 4 cos x sin y. And the 4 also sent to left hand side. So we get 3 by 16, that is cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. Here, this is cos x sin y value, and sin x cos y value 1 by 4 already given. So we need to find sin of x minus y. This is in the form of sin of a minus b now. Apply the formula. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Those values substitute here. Sin x cos y means 1 by 4 minus cos x sin y means 3 by 16. Students, what is the LCM? 16. 4 minus 3. So answer 1 by 16. Students, which option is correct? First option is correct.